Hi Queens. So today for Halloween I did a skull makeup look. So half of my makeup is already done. I did it off camera. That was for the top half. So now I'm gonna go in and do the bottom half. So I'm starting off with a Walmart product. It was just some regular Walmart Halloween face paint. It was white. Now with this product I'm gonna say it got really dry and like chappy really fast. So I'd say get better paint. I don't know if it was my skin texture or what. So I'm just going in really quick. I'm going to speed through. Just making sure the whole bottom half of my face is white. Not my neck, child. Just my face. So I got this Halloween makeup look inspiration from an artist on YouTube, which I will link her down below. Her video was very detailed, so I was grateful for her. So once again, I'm finna go in a little bit more detail. But I had to keep layering the white. Like I said, it got very chappy. I kept layering it, which I think I over layered it, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. So here's the complete done bottom look. So as you can see, I'm super white. Yes, okay. Layered it, done. So I pretty much did my nose and lips off camera. So ignore my husband in the background. Right here, I'm starting to outline for the teeth. You're just going to pull it up from the corners of your mouth. For the jaw outline, you're going to start close to your ears and make a little curve and pull a little down like you're trying to connect those two lines together. So here you're about to see a little close-up. I just want you guys to see what I'm trying to work on. You know, like I said, girl is blind, okay? I just want to curve the curves and make the lines look like they're trying to connect, but they're not connected. So here I am again looking at this phone, child. I'm trying to keep up with her. She moves a little fast. So this is the part where you go a little bit on the inside and you kind of drag it out. You're trying to create like a little shadow, you know, to show depth. Like it's your jawbone. Like you're trying to show a little depth. So this is sort of what it's supposed to look like when you're making that little depth. I had a little error. Okay, I am a human being. So here I am. I'm starting to make my teeth. So, yeah, just watch me make my little teeth, hey. So what I'm trying to do right here is make sure I'm lining up the lines with my teeth as close as I can. So here's what it looks like so far. So here I'm pulling that depth around to keep outlining the jaw area. So now I'm going in to kind of make this look like the roots of the teeth, you know, that are inside of your jaw. This was the best close-up I can give you guys so you guys can see how I'm trying to make, okay? This is my little attempt at making those little, you know, roots for the tooth. So here's my final makeup look. Okay, check her out. So this is my first time making a skull face using makeup. That's why I only did half the skull. So I thank that girl very much for her YouTube, and I will link it down below as I said before. So check it out. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you thought down below in the comments. I love y'all so much. Mwah.